ako na lang i-voice over since ma-copyright ko if gamiton ako ang original audio. So, ako nag-i-explain na rin na wala na ako nag-expect na mudaghan pa ang tao since pangit kayo ang weather at that time. I-explain na po na ako na this is my first time to participate in a market pop-up and I'm so happy and it was so much fun. Currently 6:53 p.m. and thank you to my friends, okay, and also to the Saludes family for letting us borrow their pickup and also their table and everything. Thanks Ate Vicky, thanks Kuya Hai. Yes, it was a successful event. Definitely mabalik siya ko. I love it. Thanks guys. Then don't forget to follow our Instagram account. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Si Khalil nagpagas. And today's my graduation day. So we're on our way. And nagpagas lang siya. Then we'll go now. Ito kayang sky. The sky is skying.
Congratulations to the class of 2024.
Video! Pang-vlog! Go girl!
Charlene Casaban Fajardo.
Guys, good afternoon. Time check, it's 12. What to me sa downtown? Kacha kami sa mong eyes. Kaya magkuha may og sunglasses. Si Khalil na siya covered siya sa iyang insurance and me also as a dependent. So, libre me. Basically covered siya. Right? Right, love? Hi! Yes, it's Saturday today, but since I'm sick for 3 days na, and I don't know why. I didn't get 3 days, almost 5 days na. Kasi na may yung downtown, magpa-check out na tomorrow. Oh my god. So yes, come with us with our little errand. Here! Kung kami bitaw to, ay kung sa to nag-drive, malate yun may.
Ay, naka... Net mo naka...
Where is it? Someone. So, muna napili ni Khalil. Then, I got mine. I'll show you later, guys. Say hi to the vlog, guys. Bye. Yeah, libre. Okay na? Pwede yan? Dila pinag-eat sa bag. Siya located in Victoria Drive. Muna yung mong old neighborhood. Hey. Hi everyone. I'm currently making my glass tumblers for Mother's Day for my market pop-up this coming May 11. So yeah, don't forget to follow, guys, my Instagram account, willowcraft.co, and then what else? Our Facebook page. Probably maghimo ko og TikTok account. So yes, I've been sick. Feeling na ko, guys, na evil eye ko kay sige kog post. Sige kog post kay sige kog promote sa business. Moto. Grabe gyud, as in akong voice kay dili kayo siya nice. Marag na siya pingot bitaw. So moto. So sorry kayo kung gubot ang palibot kay mo na siya. Joke lang. Gapang limpyo ko, but gina-ready lang nako among sanina ni Kalildaan. Sin pagsimba mi tomorrow. Ga-church day me sa JIL Langley, for those who are wondering. And of course, welcome po mo magsimba na to. Right now, kakimo lang ko og stocks for for my glass tumblers. And oh my gosh, wala pa nangabot akong mga gi-order na pod for another stocks. Kaya nag-buy ko og another set of keychain. Hopefully, guys, mag-support mo sa akong small business here in Canada. Hindi man ko mag-ship sa US or sa Philippines, malabo siya. Mahal kayo. Then, funny kayo kay mag-vlog ko sa akong graduation. But, pagdala na ko sa camera, wala day ko kadalag SD card kay ga-edit ko ato nga time. The night before or something. Basta wala ang SD card sa camera. So, gamay ra ako ang video sa graduation. But yes, thankful kayo ko sa mga tao, especially sa akong parents and in-laws nga nag-support sa ako ang pag-squeal lang yun. So, thank you guys. Hopefully, after maybe 6 months this year, hopefully maarang-arang na mong situation kay grabe yun ka mahal ang Canada, guys. I do not okay, tsada mga Yapon na i-recommend na ko ang money dire, but mahal yun kayo siya, as in like, I don't know ginaunsa na mo pag-survive, but laban lang yun ta. Pagpa-music ta, guys.